स्टार्ट है ठीक है Hello everyone. स्टार्ट है ठीक है Hello everyone. This is Asim Masood and I'm from Institute of Food and Nutrition Science, Peer Meher Ali Shah, Arid Agriculture University, Rawalpindi. Today I'm here in IBBC International Brain and Biomedicines Conference 2023 to present my topic, that is preservation and importance of vitamin C in fruits and vegetables. So here I'm going to start. First of all, I will give a short introduction about vitamin C because here, according to my topic, I'm talking about vitamin preservation in fruits and vegetable. So here I'm going to give an introduction, a brief introduction of vitamin C and its importance. Vitamin C or ascorbic acid is a water-soluble vitamin and it is very essential for our body. It is essential with health respect, but if we want to store our product or if we want to store our commodity for a long period of time, vitamin C or in other words, we can say it like ascorbic acid is very important. Even before its discovery in 1932, nutrition experts recognized that something in citrus fruits could prevent scurvy, a disease that killed as many as 2 million sailors between 1500 and 1800. This is the historical importance of vitamin C. Means a citrus in citrus it is also present and it can cure disease or it can be preventive against the disease which is known as scurvy. So here it is a historical reference also present. Next, I'm going to tell that foods that contain a high amount of or high content of vitamin C. Among those, there is rose hips, sea buckthorn, red pepper, papaya, kiwi, cauliflower, guava, celery, spinach, melon, cabbage, pineapple, etc. There are many commodities in fruits also and vegetables that contain vitamin C. Further, health benefits of vitamin C. As in the introduction, I've also given you the historical reference in which in 1500 to 1800, many of the sailors were died because of scurvy disease. So here, some of the health benefits of vitamin C is that it helps managing blood pressure, helps preventing in iron deficiency, may reduce the risk of stroke, help with better skin aging, reduce the risk of cancer and cardiovascular disease, reduces inflammation, protects your memory. Further, that reduction of vitamin C during storage. We know that when a commodity is harvested, for example, if I say that a fruit is harvested and it is brought to the storage chamber, then what happened during with the course of time, the vitamin C content start decreasing. Here you can see in the graph that the vitamin C content is going on decreasing. With the decrease in vitamin C content, or you can say with the decrease in ascorbic acid content, the fruit commodity or the vegetable commodity faces many of other negative impacts also, like they shrink and the water is lost, their economic value decreases. That I'm going to talk further in the next slides. During storage, the vitamin C content gradually decreases at a rate depending on the processing and storage temperature. The more rapid decrease of ascorbic acid concentration at the beginning of the storage can be attributed to the immediate reaction of an amount of ascorbic acid with the dissolved oxygen. Here, in order to store, if you want to store a commodity, for example, I say that I'm going to store citrus, or I'm going to store mangoes, or I'm going to store some sort of vegetables. So I have to maintain a temperature, humidity in which vitamin C remains in the content. It lost, but it lost in a slow rate, not in the fast rate. Further, why vitamin C is lost in fruits and vegetables. So in the previous slide, I talked when the temperature is not managed properly, when the storage atmosphere is not managed properly, when like we do blanching in our food science. Blanching is a treatment in which we subject the fruits or vegetables in the hot water to kill the microorganisms. So vitamin C also lost in the blanching. Then bruising, abrasions, means a cut or trim can also cause a loss in the vitamin C content. Then electromagnetic energy also cause loss in vitamin C content. So these are the parameters, or these are the characters that you can say aids in the loss of vitamin C more faster. Further, why vitamin C is important in storage stability of commodity. Here, according to my presentation, my whole you can say inclination was on this thing, that why vitamin C is important in storage stability of commodity. We face food security problems in our country, so that's why it is necessary to keep our commodity or keep our product keep the shelf life of our product enhanced, in order to you can say, in order to stable our food security or food safety. So that's why vitamin C is important. If the vitamin C, because it is the principal, you can say that it is the principal storage index. If vitamin C is conserved in the commodity, all the other components also remain conserved in the commodity. So that's why you can say that vitamin C is very important. Like vitamin C is conserved, so you can say other volatiles or other commodity components like minerals, etc., other phenolic compounds, means all the necessary components remains viable if the vitamin C is viable. Further, what happened when vitamin C is lost in fruit and vegetable? So number one, commodity gets shrink. Here you can see in the image also that I've posted an image of apple in which a commodity gets shrink. It gets dehydrated, it gets loss of the water, and ultimately to the loss of the commodity. Volatiles are formed, means smell start increasing in the product. Degradation of different polymers start, different polymers like starch, you can say phenolic compounds, you can say cellulose, you can say lignin, all starts degrading. Then economic value decreases. Economic value of the commodity also decreases. Why decreases? Because if I talk about an individual person, you are not going to buy a commodity that is not aesthetically attractive to your eyes. That's why you're not going to buy that commodity. So you can say that when vitamin C is lost, so commodity faces a huge problems. Further, how to preserve vitamin C in fruits and vegetables. Now, this is also an important topic, how to preserve vitamin C in fruits and vegetables. First of all, control atmospheric conditions. We have to control the atmosphere. Now, what are control atmospheric conditions in our food science and technology? Control atmospheric conditions are basically those technologies which are applied in a storage chamber. Here, the concentration of oxygen decreases and we increase the concentration of carbon dioxide. Like you can say that the concentration of oxygen is decreases to 10% and carbon dioxide increases to 2 to 3%. So that's why there's a minimum loss of vitamin C in fruits and vegetables. Then temperature management, if we manage the temperature. Now, temperature vary from commodity to commodity. Okay, different commodities have different favorable temperature, so that's why temperature management is very important. Humidity control is very important. Mostly products you can say that are perishable, that contains water in, like that are you can say succulent commodities. They have a large amount of water, or you can say a high amount of water. So that's why humidity control is very important. Otherwise, there could be a possible fungus attack. There could be possible loss of vitamin C or any other component. Then harvesting at early hours. Now, what is this? This is that when a commodity is harvested in the field. So usually the fruits are mainly in Pakistan. Most fruits are harvested in summer season, like mangoes. Mangoes are our major cash crop, so it harvested in summer season. So the field heat can also damage the crop. So that's why it is recommended that we should harvest the crop in early hours, like in the morning or in the evening. Then compartmentalization in storage. Now, this is also a very important point, compartmentalization. Now, what is compartmentalization? It is that in storage chamber, there must be different compartments for different commodities. In one should not place every commodities in same compartment, like guava, apple, peaches. They should be kept in different compartments because they are different commodities. Their characteristics are different and they require different kind of treatment. So that's why they should be kept in different compartments, not in the same one. So that's all from my side, and I'm very happy to be the part of this conference. So thank you, everyone. And if you have any question, any query, you can ask. Okay. So I'm very happy and bless you all.